Oh, Beth, you'll love driving and crying. Hello, everybody. Welcome to it.
Place it's Mother's Day weekend.
Beth, I don't care. This is going to be the greatest Mother's Day weekend you've ever had.
That's selfish.
You're going to love it. Anyway, look at this, y'all. We are up 0.77%. The E-mini's up 39. Nobody's trading. Look at this, 2,500 contracts, and we're just kind of settled in. Kind of interesting that the AD's going down. The market's going down, but it's doing a lot of jaggedy stuff. So VIX in the 13 handle, AD at 206. So, wow. Yeah. Look at this. Let's look at the big green muster. And it's amazing, y'all. We drew the big green muster on the first of the month. And look, it identifies those areas of support and resistance. How does it do it? I mean, I don't know, man. It's the greatest thing we've got. But look at there. You'd think I drew that today, right? No, drew it back on the first. And we knew there'd be support and resistance there. Sure enough, it topped the line and it's come on back down. So we are oversold for the fair value zone above. Now, what this means is if we stay here a while, we're going to pop up and we're going to go to the 52.74. Isn't that cool? So I think it's coming, especially if you look now at the linear regression channel. Linear regression kind of proves it too. Remember we were in the little downtrend? We broke out, didn't know if we wanted to break out. We broke out, didn't know if we wanted to break out. Indecisive. Then we get a red candle, indecisive candle. Then we get green, green, green. And it looks like we're going up from here. So, okay, let's play it. Let's see how our little account's doing. This is the little account. That will not be a little account in much longer because I'm moving $130,000 over to it. But for right now, it is a small account. And I guess 130,000 is a small account too, isn't it? So today we hadn't traded this one since last Monday. So today is 5/6/24. How you doing? And let's see how our little net lick is doing here. Come here, little feller. I don't know, I had this pulled up already. So let's see how we're doing in our little account here. Hope y'all's accounts are doing good. Normally on up days, we're doing real good. All right, so we are at, let's see, 7,333.22. 7,333.22. You know what that means? Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. To the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
And we got 11 deltas and 8 theta. That's not a lot, is it? But hey, we'll take it. 11 and 8. We're still building this account up, right? We didn't have anything in it. So we got 11 that. We got 8 theta, which means we should be making $8 a day. We said that the VIX is in the 13 handle. And our little measly buying power is only $1,600. $1,600. All right. So we're using 21% of our buying power. That's nothing. Our position sizing is at about one per week or so. Let's see what it looks like. Position sizing is 0.54 a week. So this means we should have a one trade every 2 weeks, but I am more aggressive than that. So we're going to do one trade every week. How about that? Till we get it all going. So let's see. Let's do this. And let's go to the trade tab. Make sure we're trading the right product. And we'll go to table. And let's see. Let's remember how we do this. How do you even trade, right, when you're sick and everything? So we go to 102 days or 136 days. All right. You got me. Let's go to 136 days. We're going to sell a 10 delta or a 10% probability in the money option. Well, they're still kind of juicy, aren't they? 34.75. See if we can get 35 out of that. 35 and do it here. Come here, little feller. Now we're going to have to go to 34.75. Working orders. This does not update all the time. So we'll go to 34.75. 34.75. And we're doing the 46.50. 34.75 it is. 30, 40, is it 46.50? Yeah. 46.50, 34.75. 46.50. Put him in here, 46.50, 34.75. Y'all will not believe my pool is still as clean as all get out. It's just so clear. And the frogs are all upset. I can hear them every night. They're like, "What did you do to our pool?" But it's good. Swimming. The kids are swimming every day. We got the deck stained. Everything looks really good. So this is NP6. And we said it was 136 days. So this is where we put our naked. 136. Today's date. Control your colon. All right. So then we got to do a put debit spread. So let's put this in there. Put debit spread. Put debit spread. We're going to do one of them. And we'll call this PDS6. We don't know where it is, but we do know it's puts. We do know it's debit spread. We do know it's 136 days. And we do know we're doing it today's date. That's all we know. So let's go put him in. All right. Now, y'all, the put debit spread. Now, some of you say, Bobby, why should I put in the put debit spread? It doesn't really provide all that protection. In a bull market, it doesn't. It's throwing away money. So you're right. If you are bullish, completely bullish, as our charts are, why would you ever do it? Because our charts are not always right. So we want to have a little bit of protection there. So what we'll do is we'll go to a 25 delta. Normally I keep right below it. And we're going to buy one, and then we're going to sell one 50 points below it. And we're going to try to do that for under $10. So let's try to do that for $9.75. See if we get filled. No. So we got to go do it again. So let's bump it up a little bit. $9.85. $9.90. See if that gets filled. No. Let's go bump it up again. Probably going to make me go to 10, isn't it? Just to show me. You want to get for under 10. I know, you fat piece of crap. Let's do it for 10. And it does it for $9.95. $9.95. So 5,000, $49.50, $9.95. 5,000, $49.50, $59.50 for $9.95. So it costs us $52. Remember, there's a 50 is the multiplier here, right? Isn't it 50? Yeah. So 50 times, wait a minute. What am I trying to say? 50, or is it 5 as a multiplier? I don't know what it is. Anyway, that's one of the benefits of being sick, is y'all just have to look past me because I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, so that looks good. So we took in a credit of $172, but we had $52 in insurance that we bought, and that allows us what? What does that allow us? It allows us to have a little bit of insurance and to have us a nice little thing. So let's go over here and let's group them now. Right? So let's find our groups. And here we go. So this is PDS6. I like their grouping thing, and it shows up on their mobile app, which is kind of cool. PDS6, and then naked put 6. NP6. And then let's look at our risk graphs and see what our risk graph looks like. Click on positions, click on P&L, and let's see what we look. Look at this. Wonka. Looks really good, right? You make a $3,700 regardless of how far the market goes up. And then we got these put debit spreads. Here's why you do the put debit spreads, y'all, because look at the apex of that. We're making $8,668 if we go up, if we go down slowly. But if we crash, we're only losing $125,000. I'm sure Beth would have no problem with that if we were to lose that. I'll probably be, seeing her in divorce court or something if that were to happen, but I don't think it's going to happen. And two, that's why we have the trading plan. Y'all, you sit there and go, God, Bobby, I mean, some of you are like, I don't know, man, I don't think I could do this. And what we're trying to tell you, and a lot of people don't think about it, is we have these different things that we do in the event that the market goes against us. I mean, you could easily sell futures, close profitable positions, roll losing positions. I mean, there's all this stuff that we've come up with on how to keep ourselves safe. So speaking of profitable positions, let's just see how some of our oldest naked put is doing. Let's see how it's doing. The old naked put, the naked put one, look at him. He's at 42% profit. All right. So anyway, when he gets to about 90, 95%, or this gets down to about 30 or 21 days to 30 days, we'll be closing him. So we're just starting the campaign, right? Anyone got any questions or comments? All right. If not, I will see y'all tomorrow. Y'all be blessed.